Hey Harsh,
Hello,
where are we going?
we are going to Milwaukee today.
And what's the plan for the weekend?
The plan is to have a lot of fun with our friends
Okay.
in Milwaukee
Okay.
and drink a lot of booze.
ले गणपती बाप्पा
Moria.
आमचा गणपती बघा बिझी आहे मागे. एक कॉर्पोरेट मजदूर
Corporate भी नहीं, plant मजदूर है. And the way we found out we can close the gap between May 25th and June 30th is format.
So right now we are traveling through the Ambassador Bridge. This is the international bridge that connects Windsor, Canada to Detroit, Michigan in the United States. So basically we are going to cross the border from Windsor into Detroit. We will be going through the immigration and all the checks here and then officially entering the US. See you on the other side. We have crossed the border and thank God everything went super smooth. And after this, our first stop is always Culver's. This has kind of become a tradition for me and Manas every time we cross the border. We both absolutely love their veggie burger, and the patty is something we never really find in Canada. Quick pit stop is done, had some really good food, and now we are back on the road. It's time to buckle up and keep going. Okay, boys, have this.
कितना अच्छा है, उसने देखने का भी पैसा नहीं लिया.
Yeah.
Ford double combo. People are vicious and they are engaged. GM की Ford की पूरी सिस्टम बिठा के रखी उन लोगों ने.
किती वेळाने असं ऊन आलंय ना, किती छान वाटतंय.
मस्त driving.
It's actually very good institution.
हे काय दिसतंच आहे ना. But now it feels like very
Yeah.
cinematic.
दोस्ताना.
अस्मिता
पराठा दो ही चीजें अवेलेबल रहती है और मेरे को जो खाने का शौक है.
बंद बोला हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. क्या खिला रहे हैं? इधर से मानस आया सुख आधा.
₹200.
Hello.
पता है मुझे आप क्या कर रहे
Where are we
हो.
going?
Chicago.
रिलैक्स.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oasis Illinois. Oasis.
There's Lake Forest Oasis.
मेरा तो फेस ही नहीं आ रहा है. We have arrived at our first stop, that is Millennium Park. And right here is the famous Cloud Gate, also known as the Bean. This shiny mirror-like sculpture reflects the entire Chicago skyline. So when you look at it, you can see the skyscrapers, the sky, and even yourself all curved together. The buildings behind it especially along Michigan Avenue, creates this really cool backdrop that makes the whole place feel so alive. It's pretty crowded here. Everyone is taking pictures, walking around, trying to get that perfect reflection shot. And as you get closer to the bin, the reflections get more distorted and artistic as well, which actually makes it even more fun to explore. Right here in the same park, there is this special spot near the tracks where, on few days each year, the sunset aligns perfectly between the buildings. And as a train passes through it, it creates an incredible frame. People just gather to catch that golden glow at the perfect angle, making it rare and unforgettable view. We are walking through downtown Chicago right now, exploring the streets and taking in all the little things around us. Every corner feels different, new views, new vibes, and so much to see just by wandering. We stepped into the Harry Potter shop and it honestly feels like walking into the wizarding world. Inside it, you will find everything from wands, house merch, ropes, their collectibles, and all kind of themed goodies. And of course, the famous butterbeer. Every corner of the store has little details inspired by the movies, so even if you are just browsing, it feels like an experience rather than just shopping. So our next location is this iconic Starbucks Reserve Roastery. And this place is honestly on another level. It's actually the largest Starbucks in the world, spread across 5 massive floors. The moment you enter, the interior feels super grand and immersive. There are these huge copper tubes running all the way up the building, carrying coffee beans between the floors. It almost feels like a coffee factory mixed with a luxury experience. Everything is designed so beautifully, very modern, very aesthetic, and you can literally watch coffee being roasted live right in front of you. Overall, it's not just a coffee shop, it feels like a full experience, like every floor is telling a different story about coffee. On the fifth floor, there is this beautiful bar where we tried their seasonal cocktail flight, and it was such a fun experience. On the other floors, we also did some coffee tasting, trying different flavors and styles, which was really interesting to explore. And one of the highlights was the Paradise Pour Duo flight. Watching the matcha being poured over the strawberry drink was so satisfying, and the way it all blended together just looked and tasted amazing. Now we are walking down the Michigan Avenue surrounded by these massive luxury showrooms like Burberry and Bentley and obviously many more other luxury brands. The whole street just feels so lively and high-end. We made a quick stop at Garrett Popcorn, which is one of the most famous popcorn spots here. I absolutely love their popcorn, especially the caramel and the cheesy one. Plus, they have so many other flavors to try. Even though it was getting a bit chilly and cold, we didn't stop exploring and kept walking with the same excitement of visiting the city for the first time. We continued towards the Trump International Tower and the Chicago River Walk, where the whole area felt so lively with beautiful river view, iconic buildings all around, and people just walking, relaxing, and enjoying the vibe. We took some good pictures along the way, and honestly, it was such a nice experience. And somewhere in the background, there is this song playing called The End of Beginning. Like, this is just a moment I will look back on, where everything felt so new, lively, exciting, and full of change. Chicago, baby. I think. hidden gem in Chicago. It's famous for its unique pizza pot pie, which is nothing but a thick, cheesy, upside-down style pizza served in a bowl-like crust. The place itself has a cozy vintage vibe and feels like a classic old Chicago spot, making it must visit for something different from regular pizza.
वो जेम्स बॉन्ड में है तो वही सब बिच्छू रखता है और गप्पन पीता है
Yes, take pictures and videos. There's a show.
Okay.
I'm gonna start with the two, no meat, no mushroom. What is the other one?
How do you know that?
There's little pinches in the dough, you see?
Oh.
And it's our secret code. But sometimes it's so dark in here, it's hard for me to see too. So let's put this one too. So how do you guys like Chicago so far?
Oh, it's lovely. Amazing. Yeah.
Do you live in a city in Canada? And I brought some chill cups. Make it a little easier.
तू क्यों शांत हो गया भाई? तू कहाँ? बताओ। मुझे आपका मेन्यू चाहिए होता है।
नहीं अभी ऑर्डर कर दो
What are you doing?
Wine and glass.
I was just wondering we should ask or not. I was like,
Yeah, no, you're totally good. Glass.
for the vlog.
Yes. Are you happy?
Yes. Dubile Pilsner.
तेरे को वो सारा दिख गई इसलिए तूने तुरंत ऑर्डर कर दिया।
Yes. Yes.
Like the morning coffee that helps you rise and shine.
What happened? Bye. See you. Asmita, bye. Bye. Drive safe. What? पण जाऊया आता मस्तपैकी शॉपिंग करायला Walmart, Target, Traders Joe. Are we buying it today? Yeah?
सस्ता है? सस्ता है?
Yes.
बहुत सस्ता है।
Exactly. Okay. Trader Joe's is one of those stores that feels very different from a regular grocery shop. It's super popular because of its unique products, affordable prices, and a lot of ready to eat and snack options that you won't really find anywhere else. The store also has its own private label items, so everything feels a bit curated and special. The vibe inside is always simple, cozy, and easy to shop, which is why people really love coming here, not just for groceries, but for the whole experience.
ऐसा एक स्टैंड रहता है, नीचे ऐसा मोमबत्ती लगा है, उस पर रखने का तो गरम रहता है।
Thank you very much. नहीं
हाई कैलोरी में रहते हैं।
Alright, so I got the chorizo omelet.
Yeah, that's
For you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry, can you take this please?
Bye, guys. You are coming with us, right? Okay. Bye bye. This was our short trip to Chicago, where we tried to cover all the famous spots and really made the most of it. We are definitely gonna be back again to explore more of this city. Now we are on our way back to Canada, carrying all these beautiful memories with us. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!